Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to try one of the products I unboxed during my previous product Junkie Naturals unboxing, and that is the Fenugreek and Hibiscus Curl Forming Cream. So this is part of the Ayurvedic hair collection, and it does smell like Ayurvedic herbs with a slight perfumey smell added into it, so it's not just smell like just straight herbs. Apply styler cream to small to medium section of hair, distribute evenly, and style as desired. So I did put up a vote in my stories on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. Same name, OlenaRosanne. I did go ahead and put up a vote asking, what should I do with this? Should I do a wash and go, or should I do a twist and curl? So the last I checked, the vote was for a twist and curl. So my hair is already washed and conditioned. Let's get this hair. Okay, so since my hair is not as thick as a lot of naturals here, this is what I consider a small to medium section right here. Okay. Nice and creamy. And I feel that slip. Oh, it is nice and smooth. Okay, definite slip. It definitely is starting to define my curls. So I would say the title, Curl Forming Cream, is accurate. You see that? Oh, I know y'all see that. Y'all see that? Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. Okay, since we're doing a twist and curl, I guess I'm gonna break out some curl rods. Y'all, I haven't done that in a long time. So we're gonna use these. These are the peach colored ones. I'm not sure of the size, but that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. These are going to be bigger twists because we have bigger rollers. Not sure how it's going to come out. We will see. So watch me do the install, okay? Y'all see that? Okay, so it's the next day, and because I air dried, I really think I should leave this in one more day and let it air dry because it is in curl rods. But you know what? I don't have a day to spare. We got another hairstyle coming up after this. So let me go ahead and get some oil on my hands. And what I'm using is a product Junkie Naturals Jojoba Oil infused with rosemary and fenugreek. And let's just get right into it. First off, look at the definition. There's a soft hold, just according to how it is right now. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Now for me to mess it up. I don't think it's complete. Yeah, it's not completely dry, but we just gonna go with it. You get the point. Just think if I had let it dry all the way.
It was just a misunderstanding.
I was thinking about sitting underneath the dryer, but y'all, I stay far away from heat unless I absolutely have to. And you know, it's summer here in Oregon, and no, I didn't want to bring on any amount of heat unless I had to. So it's okay. I am a fan of frizz. Let me know in the comments if you are or not. I mean, frizz is not for everyone, but me, I've always been a fan of frizz. So
Waited in
yeah,
the
this
rain
is
for
definitely
hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone.
okay. My hair is so soft. It is so shiny. I know y'all see this too. Imagine if I let my hair dry all the way, is all I got to say. So I still see some product in places where it hasn't dried all the way. That's the whole point. So if you see that, you know why. Y'all, what am I gonna do? I don't even know. There. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and do an updo to try to retain as much of the curls that I can. Yeah, let me come closer. Why didn't I do that anyway? Y'all see that? It's beautiful, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of this Flaxseed and MSN Flaxseed Edge Tamer from product Junkie Naturals. Tie it down in the backs. You know, I don't really care about getting it super slick or anything. Let me use that much. it. That's it.
My parents, yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent.
Take a few bobby pins. Twist it maybe one time, maybe two. Just not to hold it there.
You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile.
Residue of product that hasn't completely dried out of my hair. Yeah, why not have that part go up a little bit? Yeah. Velvet cute wrap style. So, with all this that happened, at least you saw how you could save a twist and curl. Just put it in a updo, put it in a puff. I could use a head wrap, anything. This is still beautiful to me. Y'all tell me what you think. I enjoyed using this Fenugreek and Hibiscus curl forming cream from product Junkie Naturals. If you haven't already subscribed, I sure would appreciate if you do subscribe. Anyway, roses, I'll talk to you later.